Most small business owners in Australia assume that cyber attacks are a problem for banks and big corporations, not for a business with 5 or 10 staff operating out of Sydney. That assumption is wrong, and it is becoming more expensive to get wrong by the year. Small businesses are now the primary target for cyber criminals in Australia precisely because they tend to have less protection than larger enterprises. A single successful attack, a ransomware infection, a phishing email that gives someone access to your accounts, a data breach that exposes your customer records can cost tens of thousands of dollars in recovery costs, legal fees, regulatory fines, and lost revenue while your systems are down. Cyber liability insurance covers you for exactly those costs. Let me break down what a standard policy actually covers. First, your own costs if you are attacked. This includes forensic investigation to find out what happened and how, data recovery, system restoration, and the cost of notifying affected customers if their personal information was compromised. Under Australian privacy law, certain businesses are required to notify affected individuals and the Office of the Australian Information Commissioner when a data breach occurs. That notification process has real costs and real legal obligations. Second, third-party claims. If a cyber incident at your business results in a client or supplier suffering a financial loss, their data was exposed through your systems, a payment was redirected, confidential information was leaked, they can come after you for that loss. Cyber liability covers those claims and the legal costs to defend them. Third, business interruption. If a ransomware attack or system failure takes your business offline for days or weeks, a cyber policy can cover the revenue you lose during that period. Now, who actually needs this cover? If your business holds customer data, names, emails, payment details, health records, financial information, you have a cyber exposure. If you accept card payments, use cloud based software, send invoices by email, or have any online presence at all, you have a cyber exposure. That covers the vast majority of businesses operating in Sydney today. In terms of cost, for most small to medium businesses in New South Wales, cyber liability insurance runs between $80 and $280 a month. That is a fraction of what a single incident costs to clean up. When you are comparing policies, there are two specific things to check. First, does the policy cover ransomware payments and extortion demands? Some cheaper policies exclude this entirely. Second, what is the insurer's incident response process? The best policies give you access to a dedicated cyber response team the moment something happens, not just reimbursement after the fact. The link in the description takes you to a free insurance comparison tool where you can compare cyber liability policies from multiple Australian insurers side by side. It takes about 10 minutes.